जिंदगी हर याद रखो दिल को बोना है हवाएं पत्ते पानी पेड़ जंगल सब्ज सोना है
Hello and welcome back to the NDTV Toyota Greenathon. We are turning our attention now to a film that may be out in March or April or something like that. It's a film called Hello Zindagi, and we're being joined here by the cast and by the producer and by the director of that particular film. It's particularly important because it talks a lot about turtles and the Olive Ridley turtle in particular, and that's something which is very dear to the heart of NDTV. One of our colleagues, Swati Tyagarajan's been talking about them for years and decades and stuff like that. Thank you all so much for joining us. Let me introduce all of you, starting with you, Kittu.
Hi.
Kittu Kidwani here to my left. We've got Mrinumai Lagu sitting out there. Thanks so much for being with us. Suresh Menon there, who's the producer, and we've got Raja there as the director. Thank you all
I'm one of the
so
actors. My name is Cyrus, and I play the turtle.
I was going to say that. You beat me to it. This telepathy after 13 hours is starting to worry me a lot.
You're getting under my shell. Let's get back to the turtle.
Yeah.
Okay, turtles. What about, first, before the turtles, the film? What's the film all about?
Well, first let me congratulate NDTV on this Greenathon. Secondly, I thank you guys for having us on the show. Thirdly, I would like to mention the name of Amit Garg, a great friend of ours, who has not only helped us financially, but also, given us all kind of support to make this film. Yeah, he's the pillar of the film. Okay. Coming back to the film, as independent filmmakers, we always felt that, we have, through a powerful medium of cinema, if we can propagate or if we can bring about an awareness of any kind of an issue, to the audience, it'll bring about an impact, apart from entertainment and stuff like that. If they can get back home thinking about an issue or, an awareness
it is a
content.
mainstream film.
Yeah.
And it's not just subtle. It is very much on the face, which we are talking about out here.
Okay.
So,
and Kittu, the turtles are pretty central to this and saving the Olive Ridley. They are actually a very interesting species and very endangered.
What's very interesting about the film here, Hello Zindagi, is that it's kind of woven in very beautifully into the story. Yeah. The fact that there is somebody in the film who gets so involved and enchanted by these turtles, and Mrinumai's character, and whose entire life starts centering around the saving of these turtles.
Okay.
So, and we all, through her, get involved in this cause.
Okay. The person you should have really met is Swati Tyagarajan. She got so involved in the Olive Ridley turtles before she got married and moved to South Africa. She got all of us involved. There wouldn't be a single news day when Swati wouldn't walk in and saying, what about the Olive Ridley turtles?
They're very cute-looking creatures. They're very lovely creatures.
Yeah, and in danger. They're killed for their eggs, they're killed for their skins, small nesting ground.
Yes, the destruction of their habitat, basically poaching. The thing
Trawlers.
about Olive Ridleys is they can only lay eggs where they are born. So the coasts that they were born on is the only place they can lay eggs in. So if that habitat is destroyed for whatever reason, that's again depleting their numbers.
And, well, the fact is that Orissa, the Indian Ocean, is the largest nesting ground of these Olive Ridley turtles.
in the world.
Right.
In the world, one of them, yeah. And the best part is, it's a very natural phenomenon for this Olive Ridley turtle to come back to lay eggs where they're born, to the beaches that they're born.
Right.
And they're dying,
Well, the person whom you certainly should go and also meet before the film comes out is Sampath Mahapatra, who I think as a journalist has probably done more to bring awareness around the issue of the Olive Ridleys than anybody else I can tell. And I remember him going on saying, it's not just the nesting grounds, but also the fact that trawlers and offshore oil drilling, all of these are factors that really lead to a lot of damage. Sampath, in fact, was there with some of the villages that were being lit up, and again, somebody who feels very, very passionately about that.
Vikram, this film is not just talking about Olive Ridley. It's also pertaining to the social issues which we are facing today in the urban. So I think that's how these two things come together. So it's not just Olive Turtle we are talking the entire film. It's a 2-hour film. It's a 2-hour feature film. I think it's the first time that something like this has ever happened.
Yeah, environmental.
Also the fact that you can use a powerful medium like entertainment to bring a social message. That actually, at the end, is what we're trying to do here with the Greenathon. There's lots and lots of entertainment, but there's a message we're trying to communicate.
But don't judge the entertainment by Vikram and me. There's actually
I mean, there
entertainment
actually
going on.
was entertainment
We paid
before
for
we
it.
came on.
Very
but
good.
There was lots of entertainment. I mean, this
Good
is not
stuff.
entertainment.
Professionals. Yeah.
But is that the way you think?
I
we
think
should
yes.
go?
I think we're very disconnected from nature, all of us. The entire world is disconnected from the planet. It's like we don't belong to this planet, and the planet is a separate entity, which is false. The planet gave birth to us, and if the planet dies, we die. And I think Cyrus is now like...
I'm just nodding. I've been nodding from 7 o'clock.
Cyrus.
My head is spinning, my neck is spinning, and if somebody says your mother is your father, I'll be like, yeah, I have no idea.
So I think, yeah, we just have to bring it into our lives in every way possible. Every way possible.
And the film is about, it's young.
Okay.
So if the youth can be, if the youth can come out there and bring about awareness, see the film,
It's an
do
extremely
something.
positive film.
All right. So, fine. While we're looking forward to that, and of course, the youth has been getting involved in the Greenathon, but I'm happy to say many corporates have been as well. And many of them have also been stepping forward to actually adopt many of these villages that we are trying to light up with lamps like this. One of those donors, Qualcomm, they did step forward, and I'm happy to say that they have agreed to sponsor one of the villages, and we'll be zooming into that particular village. Which is the village that Qualcomm is doing. Yes, I think they are contributing 3 lakh rupees, and that is for the village of Bad Gujran. That's a village right next to Alwar. Maybe we can zoom into that at some point and show you the village that will now get light thanks to Qualcomm. So that is the village. You can see it's actually one of the larger villages that we've covered so far. 245 households, 2,700 people live in there. They have never had lights. They have never had electricity. The children there studied at night, not at all, or by the light of kerosene stoves. Now they will be able to study using solar-powered lanterns, and that's thanks to that particular corporate donor. So thank you so much, and keep those pledges coming. We have by now been able to light up 22 villages like this. 22 villages already, and hopefully we'll get a lot more done by the time this is over. Guys, incidentally, our original target, Kit, you'll be interested to know this, was 18. When we started the Greenathon, we said if you can get 18 villages lit up by the time we finish this 24 hours, we'll be very happy. We actually hit 18 sometime like 1 o'clock last night. We're 22 right now.
Oh, that's fabulous.
And Terry is sitting and trying to find more and more villages for us. So
That is
we'll hopefully
amazing.
get it back closer.
I hope all of you are doing something to help the environment. Kitu, you can do something to help because you live somewhere next to me, and we could like share cars. We'll perhaps even share a home. Perhaps we could just share everything. What the hell? Vikram, what do you say?
I would reserve all comments on this
I don't know
subject.
about the home, Cyrus.
I'm not that messy as I
I'll
look.
tell you one other thing which we can all do. We can all take a green pledge to try and get this back to serious. Would each of you take a pledge, something which you can do in your personal life to try and be greener in the coming year, other than making films? Why don't you start?
Consume less, much less.
Okay.
Save people. Wherever I can go the E route, I will try and do that.
Save
Okay,
people.
save paper.
Don't use plastic bags.
One of my favorite subjects, don't use plastic bags. I can't take train journeys now for worrying about the plastic bags lining either side of them. Pick up some plastic bags too would not be a bad idea.
I'm extremely sensitive about electricity because my heart really aches when I see all these bulbs burning in the middle of the day and the fans running and the AC. So I'm very careful about that.
Okay, thank you all so much for having joined us. Let's hope the Olive Ridley...
What's your green pledge?
Are we making pledges all the way?
No.
I'm
We
putting
have
up
to
with your
wrap quickly. What is your green pledge?
I will tolerate your company and this sweatshirt for
fine pledge,
24
young man.
hours. How about
Fine
that?
pledge.
Okay, after that, I think the plastic bag is something in particular that I think is something we should really wage crusade against in this coming year.
Delhi
And
banned plastic bags?
Delhi's banned plastic
I
bags,
think,
but I think it needs
Mumbai.
to spread. It
Yeah.
needs to spread village after village, town after town. The entire countryside right now in India is littered with plastic bags. And the amount of damage it's doing, there are cattle who are eating those plastic bags and dying. They are clogging drains. It's awful. All right, we're going to take a break. Lots more still to come right here on the NDTV Toyota Greenathon. Thank you all so much for having been with us.
Thank you.
जिंदगी और याद रखो दिल को बोना है हवाएं पत्ते पानी पेड़ जंगल सब्ज सोना है